guys, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tife. Welcome. If you're new, today is going to be a different video. I told you guys that we'll be bringing everything, lifestyle, beauty. Today's video is going to be about hair, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to style your headband wigs in different ways. I plan to make this video very short because I am super tired, and it's also good for a video to be short. So without much fuss, let's just get right into the video. I told myself I'm not going to retake anything in this video. I'm not. I am super tired, super exhausted. But if I don't make this video today, I cannot make it any other day. So any flaws, any nonsense builds me. So well, I must say that a lot of people don't know how to style headband wigs. Like, you just style headband wigs and they are very boring. They look very boring. Most of the wigs that I sell, some of them are headbands, and most of those wigs I used to try as much as possible to make sure that I style it. Okay, in case you don't know, yes, I have an online store where I sell wigs. So basically, most of the time I like to style my wigs so that my customers can see how like they can style those wigs and they'll look really nice. So it's not just me showing you the wigs that this is what it should be. But how many wigs do I want to style? I cannot style everything, but I'm going to try as much as possible to style. So you guys, this is the wig. It's really massive, it's full, and it's nice. So I'm going to be showing you different ways you can style it so that it will not look weird. Okay, so let me just take it out. So this is what it looks like. It's an headband. It's really full. It's really full, and it's like an afro thing. Very nice. I can't wait to really get into this video. I basically believe that you need to get out of the house looking amazing, but in a very quick and nice looking style. So first is first, I have my Eco Styler gel. I'm going to be styling my hair from I need it to look really flat and nice. So, and I would also tell you guys that whatever you do when you want to style headband wigs, make sure you don't have like cornrows underneath. So I'm struggling with my hair. I can't seem to find my big comb, so I'm just going to use this one to lay it down. So I really like a middle part. Jesus, I really like a middle part, so I'm just going to try and achieve a middle part with this tail comb. So I think I've tried my best. So I'm going to just take my rubber band and make it as flat as possible. Look at my eyebrows. I'm so tired. I've shot different videos today. So I don't really, on a normal circumstance, if you want to, you can apply your Eco Styler on all your hair, but because I'm just going to show from here to here, I'm just going to be applying it a little bit. I just recently relaxed my hair, so it does not really need so much taming. So I'm just going to apply a little bit and lay it flat first. So I'm going to go ahead with my edges. I really like the big swoops that people used to do, but I've not really gotten the hack. Since this is not an like laying your edges tutorial, I'm just going to go and do it off camera. So I think I did okay. I didn't want it to be like dramatic. I didn't really achieve what I wanted to achieve, but I think this is good. This is the first time I'll be super hungry and cranky and everything, and I'm still going to be looking like this, like nice. So we're going to get this in there. Super excited. I know a lot of y'all are gonna leave this like this. You're gonna leave this like this. Or maybe if you're a little bit nice, I'm gonna pull it back for like this. But let me tell you the game changer. The game changer is when you just push it back. Are you saying this, guys? Hey! I'm not doing too much. I really wish I was in the mood for some makeup so I can go in there and, you know, switch something up. Are you guys seeing this? No. Who's this? I think I need to put on my earring. I don't know if I should use this or I should go with this or this. But let me try these first. Vanished! Oh goodness. No one told me never taste like this. I look like some African princess. Yes, girl. I was so eager to make this wig because I knew it's gonna be a bomb. Look at me. See, there's some things that, and it can get fuller. You can, you know, suppress it, and you can do anything. I'm going to be switching up different styles. Yes, so I look like a baby girl. What does earring do? Let me change the earring. That is all that I'm doing. This video is long. Yo. It's not gonna be funny. Whoosh! I think this is a lot better. I wish I had those really big loops, those really massive ones. I don't know which one does it for you guys. Fire! This is on fire! I'm hungry. I'm screaming with all the last strength I have in me. So you can either, this is one style, you can rock it this way, or no one told me love would taste like this. God, let me eat my pocket like this. Bitcoin number wallet like this. Hey, I follow God, I know they follow man. But for you, I might have to consider. I don't really like half pattern. Does not suit me like this now. But you know, that's another way you can style. So another way you can style it is as a fringe, as a bloody fringe. I don't think this earring is doing it for this style, so I'm gonna just take it off. It looks like my hair, just a little bit more. I really wish I had those really large loops. This works finer. So I have my scarf here, so let me fix it in and show you guys how it looks like. Whatever you do, just make sure to like play around it, throw in a scarf, you know. And be a bad bitch. Okay? Be a bad bitch. You can put in like an headband or anything. Yes, girl, yes. Overloading. I'll be overloading. I really wish I could make up. And I know that this is going to be giving good vibes if I'm fully clothed. But let me just show you guys what I look like right now. And let's see if it hit like on a regular. I'm just going out to, to get something, but I want to look like a hot. No one to love take like this. I like to say, but it kind of mouth like this. Inside the music. Let's go down. Because if I start music now, YouTube will finish me. So let me just, I want to love taste like this. Hey, it's going on my body like this. So see, the life hack is just push it back. See, if you push it to the front, you look like a mad person. So it's not that difficult. Lay those edges, make it smooth, push it to the back, and you're a fucking queen. On this note, I think I will have to end my video here. I'm going to be bringing more and more really, really nice content on how to style your hair and maybe how to make some particular hairs. Think about it. But on that note, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, repost, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.